Hello. Today we'll see how we can navigate from one sheet to the other sheets. Say we have sheet 1 here, 2, 3, like that. We have many sheets, say sheet 14, 15. There are many more here. We'll see how we can move from one sheet to the other sheet. Say we want to go to the last sheet. What we normally do is, so we click on say sheet 2, sheet 3 or sheet 14, then sheet 15, like that we keep on moving to the last sheet. So instead what we can do is, so we can just come here, this is a browse button, pressing the control button, click on this right arrow. So you will go to the last sheet. Same way, if you want to go to the first sheet, keep the control button pressed and press on this left arrow. Same way for the last sheet, you can just press the control button and click the right arrow. So you are at the last sheet. So we have around 38 sheets here. Similarly, if you want to go to the first sheet, just press the control button and press the left arrow. So you are in the first sheet. But if you want to go to the in-between sheets, say we want to go to the sheet number 16. What we can do is just right click here on this browse button. You will get the list of sheets. You can choose whichever we want. Suppose say we want to go to sheet number say 22 or sheet number 16. So just right click on this browse button and choose whichever sheet you want. Say we want to go to sheet number 16. So choose here. So this is how you can go from one sheet to the other sheet. So again, to go to the first sheet, press the control button and click the left arrow. The same way, if you want to go to the next sheet, press the control button and page down. So you are moving to different sheets. This is the next sheet. Similarly, if you want to go to the previous sheet, just press the control button and page up. Page down is for next sheet. Page up is for previous sheet. Similarly, control and the right arrow is for last sheet, control and left arrow is for the first sheet. And to go to the specific sheet, just right click on the browse button, choose whichever sheet you want to. Hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.